My name is Ernest. I work for Cosmo Restaurant Group, and we are here at Cosmo Preston. Cosmo is basically an international buffet style restaurant. Different foods, so you can pick and mix from just one price. Our typical restaurant can easily do 1,000, 1,200 covers. From a back of house point of view, there's no other way to describe it, but it is a food factory. We do all the cooking in-house, so it's important that we need to have the correct chefs, and also important that we have the correct equipment. We have actually been using Combi ovens for a while now, but none of them is coming up to our working standard as expected. Straight away with the MKN, it feels different, as in the Combi itself already feels more robust. I went to the test kitchen in Manchester. We test out different products, and they show me the Combi, how it works. The one key thing that really sold me on it is extra depth, that they can put extra items into the Combi, but still maintain the same 10 grid structure. That was very impressive. The other thing that the chef really like is the time that it needs from getting to room temperature to 180 degrees cooking temperature. So there's no hanging around waiting for it to heat up, so it's pretty much immediate. Since then, we have ordered 2 more ovens for 2 our other sites. That means replacing ovens as well. And I keep going back to the capacity. The capacity really is an extra bonus. I'll definitely say the MKN now. Don't get a cheaper Combi. It never works. We have tried it, we have done it, never works. It's a big investment for any restaurants. But I think, don't be afraid to spend that little bit more to get that extra quality. It makes life a lot easier for me. Yes. Come to Cosmo Preston, whether you have a big group of people, birthday parties, or just a table, quiet table for 2, we have got it all catered for. So food-wise, Chinese, Indian, Italian, Japanese, it's all here. So you can't go wrong coming to Cosmo Preston.